Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for June the 30th through until July the 2nd, 2013. That's tomorrow, Sunday, through until Tuesday this week. Looking at Saturday's high temperatures then, into the low 20s in many areas, a high of 23 in Herne, 22 in Southampton and Cork as well. On average, around 16.4 throughout the British Isles. At the low temperatures early this morning, Saturday morning, that would be Glenogle at 5 degrees, the lowest temperature overnight, 11.2 on average, so quite a mild night generally. And over the next 3 days, we're looking at some pretty decent weather, especially towards the southern part of the UK, at least on Sunday, and then into Monday perhaps, and then Tuesday it's all changed once more with more rain coming in. What we have at the moment is high pressure infiltrating to the southern part of the British Isles, but there is low pressure off to the north, so that's why places like Scotland and Northern Ireland will probably have significantly worse weather than in the south on the next few days. So looking at Sunday, you can see here first of all the rain to the north, but it is mixed in with some sunny intervals, which is a good thing obviously when the sun comes out, especially towards the northeast of England where we'll see some sunny intervals, and then towards the southeast there's a lot more sunshine, and that means it's going to be very warm with a high temperature of around 27 degrees Celsius in the Greater London area. That's around 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Elsewhere into the 20s where the sunshine is, but there's a little bit of a divide towards the northwest of England and into Wales where temperatures will dip below the 20s on Sunday to high temperature. Sunday night then it's going to be a relatively quiet affair, a little bit of drizzle for parts of western and northern Scotland overnight. Elsewhere it will remain dry with overcast skies for most areas, a few areas along the coast where it might clear up a little bit, with low temperatures of around 9 or 10 degrees in Scotland. But no lower than 13 or 14, maybe not even lower than 15 in parts of southeastern England. Looking at Monday then, it's going to be fairly similar, but not as warm, especially towards the south where it was very warm on Sunday. Partly cloudy skies generally, more sun towards the far south of England, where we'll see mostly sunny skies, perhaps clear skies for some areas. And in Scotland, there's the rain towards the north of Scotland in particular. That's what we'll be seeing over there, with high temperatures of around 23 degrees, that's 73 degrees Fahrenheit, and in Scotland, for instance, around 14 degrees will be the high to be expected there. Looking at Monday night, the rain's creeping into Ireland in particular here, along the west coast. We'll probably see the worst of the weather, and perhaps into parts of western Scotland as well. We'll see some drizzle overnight. Elsewhere it will remain dry again. Overcast skies again for most areas, with a few clear areas, clear patches towards the eastern coast of England, with low temperatures of around 6 degrees in the Scottish Highlands, around 43 degrees Fahrenheit, but no lower than double figures in many parts of England and Wales, and indeed Ireland as well. Looking into Tuesday then, it's all change. You can see here hardly any sun to be seen at all, overcast skies at best, and that's only going to be in a few places in central England and Wales. Elsewhere it's going to be wet, heavy rain, persistent rain as well, falling in Scotland, northern England and northern parts of Ireland into the Republic as well. We'll be seeing some heavy rainfall during the course of Tuesday, with high temperatures still around 17 to 19 degrees in eastern parts of England, up to 66 degrees Fahrenheit there, but staying in the teens for all areas. Looking at Tuesday night, it's virtually continuing as it was, with more persistent rain falling, especially for northern parts of England and pretty much all of Scotland and southern parts of Ireland as well, dying down a little bit in northern parts of Ireland. And in southern England it'll be more drizzly, but still fairly wet overnight on Tuesday, with low temperatures only around 12 or 13 degrees C, which is still quite high for a nighttime temperature, around 55 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday. And don't forget to visit the website force13.com. I'll be back with another forecast in 3 days' time to see whether the weather makes its mind up on whether we'll have a summer or not this year, and we might have some new weather icons coming up in the next video as well, so look forward to that. It might be in the next video, it might be in the one after, but they're on the way, so I hope you enjoy those. But that's it for now.